What's going on, everybody? My name is Barry. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Juan Bros. Today, as you saw the sign, I'm at RR Racing. All right, it's at 309 Commerce Drive, 200, whatever. This is where you can find the RR Racing shop. So come down that road, and bam, you're getting yourself right there. Got a front door, but unfortunately, it's not open. So I'm gonna probably go to the back. You might be wondering, why am I here? Well, I'm in Virginia. I was like, okay, I'm in East Coast, might as well go visit RR Racing. So I figured, why not come down here and get something that I want, which is specifically, I wanted titanium brake shims. So I'm gonna go get that today. But here's my car. And when I came here, this is beautiful ISF. Beautiful ISF. Look at the hood on this thing. Like, I feel like I know the IG to this one. I'm gonna try to put the IG if I can find them, but man, look at this, guys. RCF, ISF. If people don't know, if you guys don't know, RR Racing is where F cars, Lexus specifically, is tuned and performance mods and make them faster, better suspension for a track. So got yourself a GS right there. This is the little parking lot where everybody does their little donuts whenever they get here. So I'm not gonna do it because my tires are done, but this is where everybody does a little smoke show for with their cars. But here we will enter the RR Racing shop. See what they got going on in there. Okay. For those that have never been here, you guys ready? And 3, 2, 1. Wow. This is the first view when you walk in the shop. Let's see. Oh man. Anybody need a strut bar? Oh, I mean, my bad. Chassis brace. Anybody need one? Yeah. This one I believe is for RCF. This one I believe is for ISF. Oh look, new replacement stuff. They just have everything on the shelf, ready to go, ready to ship. Kind of crazy. Big ol' RR Racing sign. And here they got all their press machines, making their USRSs, making all their street versions of the USRSs. Dang, look at all this. They probably paint stuff here too. Let's see. Oh, they powder coat here. Look at that. The area where they powder coat their chassis braces. Wow. Yeah, I did get permission to record here, so I'm gonna try to show you guys the shop and just show you guys the good side of this place. So far, it's been a very pleasant experience. Hypercoil. Only the best springs for the coilover suspension. I myself have Hypercoil suspension. Wow. What you'll see is a bunch of pictures with their stuff. Every day they're working out here. So this right here, this Lexus IS 350 all-wheel drive, it actually just got supercharged. It's from Virginia. I think they're coming to pick it up today. But yeah, this car just got picked up, or it just got fixed. It's nice. Very nice, very nice. Dang, look at the wideband. And then you got Rafi's Porsche 911. Wow, look at that. Stylish. Man. If you guys don't know, at RR Racing, they've also supercharged this right here. Notice it says supercharged. They have been probably one of the only ones that anybody knows of or will know of that has achieved supercharging or boosting a Porsche. So this is his car. This thing's dope. Look at this thing. Ooh, meaty fitment. Damn, these rims and wheels are bigger than mine. I don't know what's going on in this IS, but something's happening. Ooh, look at the workbench. You'll notice the fluid here is red. That could only mean one thing: transmission parts. So one thing I was told is that they're trying to now put ISF transmission parts inside a Lexus IS 350 or IS 250 platform because the tranny for the IS platform is weaker. So yeah, that's something that they're trying to develop, and probably not on the market yet, but they're trying R&D right now. But let's check the shop out. Oh man, use Multio. Good stuff. Let's see what else they got behind these doors. Let's go this way. All right, what's behind this door? Got a nice little hallway with more pictures of their products. Oh, that's nice. USRS, their version 1s, and nice little lobby. And you got Peter's car, the Red Devil. Big changes coming to this car, guys. Look at that. Wow. Track proven. Let's see what else got here. This is their main entrance right here, but it's locked. So, bunch of offices, got their merch, our racing merch, and so pretty much gonna give you guys a tour around the shop because Rafi's giving me permission to vlog here. So I'm gonna see what it's like out here. It's pretty nice so far. This is probably where they start shipping things. Looks like it. Or assembling things. That thing looks crazy. It's like a bicycle. Shop. Dark room. Where is this going? Some boxes here. And we made it into the parts room. Bunch of supercharger kits going out. Everybody wants one. I know I want one. This is where the magic happens. Come get your parts, they have it. Alright guys, I got my titanium brake shims for thermal conductivity. This one's actually just for messing around, but these are it. Yeah, got what I want. Got Rafi here about to take the customers on a ride, showing them their new supercharged IS350. East Coast, look at those winter tires. Oh shoot. Yeah, this thing really sounds like a beast. That's how they do it here at RR Racing. Rafi takes them for the ride, shows them what they did. All right, y'all, he's gonna give me a rev from the GS Supercharged. I'm asking effect. Okay, that was pretty loud. He was telling me that was loud, and yeah, that was pretty loud. Apexi N1s Extremes. That thing's pretty loud. And damn, man, that's the amount of smoke from that thing. Crazy. That right there, folks, is a GS 350 all-wheel drive supercharged at RR Racing. Damn, that thing was loud.
Yeah, you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, Huang Bros? Huang Bros? He just got his, probably got a data log, turned it in, and now he's done. Dang, that all-wheel drive. I'm telling you, folks, this is the area where everybody does their little car thing before they leave. Round 2 of test drives. Love what he did. The owner did that himself. That's amazing. Look at those. Look at those halos. So while they're test driving, I'm gonna check this car out. I think you'll find it pretty interesting. So this, I believe, is a GS. It's a regular GS, but it's like halfway F somehow. So it's a GS, right? It's a GS. There's a GS, and here's the F calipers. Look at this. You know that's from a GSF. This is definitely from a GSF. And I think it's a very nice touch. It's a very nice touch to it. It looks really aggressive. Man, I wonder how much it costs to do this though. Car from New York. Man, I can only imagine what the rear looks like. I'm not gonna lie, those taillights look clean. Love those. But wow, I think he did the conversion. Holy crap. Look at that. You know, I could be wrong, but even did the rear. Look at that. But I can tell it's a conversion because if you look inside, the seats are not the F branded seats. So, but dang, look at this. Not gonna lie, this is nice. This is very nice. This looks like an all-wheel drive too. Hey, whoever's car this is, good job. I like it. It's good. It's good. It's very good. I like it. I like that you did what you did with the part GSF, part GS 350 probably. So it's good. I like it. Good job. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Putting it in a cup and hold, okay?
Okay. All right, guys, that's concluded today's video. If you like what you saw, like the shop, Rafi's currently busy with the customers right here, so I don't want to bother him too much. But hey, he's doing great customer service, showing me around the shop, showing all the customers a good customer support, and showing them their cars, fixing whatever needs to be fixed. And all right, guys, this concludes today's video. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next video. Peace.